Use the HP for ServiceNow app. HP for ServiceNow is an app used for logging printer issues directly from the printer itself. These incidents are sent directly to ServiceNow, making it easier and faster to address and close support tickets. HP for ServiceNow is available through managed service print providers and is accessible through the printer control panel. To use the app, if you are an authenticated user, select HP for ServiceNow on the printer control panel. You are then brought to the HP for ServiceNow main page. From here, you can see all open incident tickets for the printer. If you already see that an issue has been reported, you can check the status and don't have to report a duplicate issue. If you have a new incident to report, select Add New Incident in the bottom right. Select the type of incident from the drop-down list. If desired, you can add any additional details that would help. Select Add Incident, and the incident is sent directly to the ServiceNow instance, and you do not need to use your PC to report the problem. The new incident ticket is now visible to you and other users under Open Incidents. All incidents are created and managed within ServiceNow. The incident can show the printer serial number and relevant details to help a technician quickly find the printer to resolve the ticket. After the issue has been resolved, the incident status can be changed. Fill in the resolution information and resolution notes. Then click Update. Any change in the status of the ticket is reflected back within the app on the printer. The HP for ServiceNow app makes reporting, managing and handling print issues easy for users, the help desk, and technicians while reducing time for everyone involved.